How to use ChatGPT. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use ChatGPT, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to use ChatGPT, you go to chatgpt.com or you can download the ChatGPT app. Now the thing here is that I'm assuming you must have already created your account and so on, and once you've done all of that you will come to this particular page here. Now over here you can actually choose your ChatGPT model. I'm using the normal one, that is the free version, that is temporary and for everybody. Now I can actually write a prompt for it for me to actually write anything. If I wanted to paraphrase something or write a paragraph about something, it will actually just give me any information that I personally need right over here, as you would be able to see, right? And this is just how you use it. If you want to add some files, you can just click on this little option to add a file and analyze it. And if you want more features, then you can click on this option here, go to ChatGPT Plus and upgrade to GPT-4 and other subscriptions like that. Here also you can see the share chat option if you want to share them. If you click the profile icon from the top right, here you can just go to settings option to view other options. It's just an AI chatbot, but with some extensions like DALL-E and so on, you'll be able to add more features to it. But hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.